Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to generate AI-based blog topic ideas for content marketing. So let's suppose I am a content marketer and I want to generate many ideas for the particular niche or the industry which I am posting or adding in my Google Sheets. Now doing this manually is a very time consuming task, so I am completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Google Sheets, OpenAI. Here I am going to use my AI agent as OpenAI and then Google Sheets again. Here with the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I am going to add a new data in my Google Sheet, I am going to add the industry or the niche, the topics will be automatically generated with the help of OpenAI, and then these topics will be automatically added to my Google Sheet spreadsheet. Now if you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to generate AI-based blog topic ideas for content marketing. For this, I have created an automation workflow where I have built connection between Google Sheets, OpenAI, and then Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. And now we are going to check this automation workflow once, whether it is working fine or not. For that, I will be opening my Google Sheets and I will be adding a particular industry or a niche in this particular spreadsheet. And if a trending blog topic is automatically generated and then added in the spreadsheet, then this means this automation workflow is working fine. So here I'm going to add my niche or the industry as travel and adventure. Now I'm going to wait for a few minutes and let's see whether this trending blog topics are added in this particular spreadsheet or not. And here we can see that in no time we have added 5 ideas. Eco travel revolution, adventure awaits, culinary travel trends, thrilling adventures, tech savvy travel. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to generate AI-based blog topic ideas for content marketing. For this, we are going to create automation between Google Sheets and OpenAI with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect/INR/ in your browser. Now after browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see 2 options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now, and it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow button. So first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to generate AI-based blog topic ideas for content marketing, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders which have been created, and here I'm going to select this as AI agent and then click on create. So here workflow created successfully. As soon as I've clicked on create, 2 boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to generate AI-based blog topic ideas for content marketing, which means whenever I am going to post a new niche or a new industry in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, the blog topics will be automatically generated with the help of my AI agent. Here I'm going to use my AI agent as OpenAI, and then it will be automatically added in my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So here trigger says when this happens. So when I'm going to add a niche or an industry, and then action says do this, then generate blog topic ideas for that niche or the industry, and then add that to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So here in my trigger application, I will be taking Google Sheets, and then in my action application, I will be taking OpenAI and then again Google Sheets. So here in my trigger application, let's take Google Sheets. And then in my trigger event, I'm going to take this new or updated spreadsheet row. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, we are going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So this is my Google Sheet spreadsheet by the name Content Marketing, and I have added the niche industry column and a trending blog topics column. Now what I want, my objective is, whenever I'm going to add a niche, I want to generate 5 trending blog topics for that niche or the industry. So I need to build the connection between Google Sheet spreadsheet and this Pabbly Connect workflow, so that whenever I'm going to add this idea or the niche, the topic is automatically sent to this workflow, and this workflow will be processed after that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go towards this extension, go to this add-ons and click on this get add-ons. Here Google Workspace Marketplace will appear in front of me, where I will be searching for Pabbly Connect webhooks. And it is showing installed because I have already installed this in my Google Sheets. But if you are doing this for the first time, make sure you follow the same process and install this Pabbly Connect webhooks in your Google Sheets. Now after that you have installed this Pabbly Connect webhooks, it will start appearing over here. Next you have to click on this initial setup. So now this box has appeared in front of me, where it is asking me to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here. Next, I need to enter the trigger column. So it says the trigger column will be a final data entry column, on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here my final data entry column or the trigger column is column A, because I want, as soon as I add a niche or industry in this particular column, it is sent to Pabbly Connect workflow, and the trending blog topics are automatically generated with the help of AI agent. So here my final data entry column is column A itself. I'm going to write column A. I hope this was very clear to you. The final data entry column is the last column or the trigger column. Now what I'm going to do, I need to click on this send test. But over here you will see that I do not have any data in this spreadsheet. So let me first quickly add an industry. So here I have added my niche or the industry as e-commerce strategy. And now I'm going to go back towards extensions, go to Pabbly Connect webhooks, click on this initial setup. Now I'm going to click on this send test. And you will see the test data sent successfully, e-commerce strategy. So this data is sent to my Pabbly Connect workflow. Now to make this setup configuration, I have to click on the submit button also, and here setup configured successfully. So here we are done with this step. Now let's go back to extensions. Again, go to Pabbly Connect webhooks, and do not forget to click on the send on event. So this step will make sure whatever data is added in future, it is sent to Pabbly Connect workflow. If you do not click on send on event, the data will not be sent. The data which you are adding in the future will not be sent to the workflow. So here let's go back to my Pabbly Connect workflow, and here we can see that we have captured the response. The trigger column was column A, spreadsheet name was content marketing, and the niche and the industry was e-commerce strategies. Now here, as soon as I have added the niche or the industry, I have captured that response here in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets. That is successful. And now whenever I'm going to add new niche or a new industry in this particular spreadsheet, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever I'm going to add a niche or an industry in the spreadsheet, I want my AI to generate top blog topics. So here in my AI agent, as my action application, I will be taking OpenAI, with the help of which we are going to generate this blog topics. And then in my action event, I'm simply going to take this as ChatGPT and click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we are going to follow the help desk given below. So it is written OpenAI uses API key for authentication. Here is the hyperlink. I'm going to open this hyperlink, and then I will be landed towards the page of API keys. Now to create a new secret key, I simply need to click on this create new secret key. First, I have to name this. So let's say the name of the key is testing. The project will be default project. The permissions will be all, and then you simply need to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you need to copy and simply paste that over here. Here, as I have an existing connection, I have created this connection multiple times. That's why I'm going to go with this existing connection and then click on this save. So here OpenAI is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter the AI model and the prompt. Now in this drop down, you can see all the AI models which I have. I'm going to select this as GPT-4o Mini. If you do not find your AI model, simply turn on this mapping button, remove this AI model and enter your own AI model. Here, as I have my AI model in this drop down, I have selected this as GPT-4o Mini. Next, I need to enter the prompt. So I am going to give the prompt in a way that I am going to map the detail. I am going to map the detail which I have added in my Google Sheets. And the detail is this, the niche or the industry. I am going to give this OpenAI and I am going to ask it to generate 5 blog topics for me, which are trending and attract audience. So here I am going to write my prompt as, so here I have written my prompt, you are an expert content strategist. Based on the niche, I am going to enter my niche, generate 5 unique and trending blog topic ideas that are SEO optimized, aligned with current trends and high performance keywords, relevant to interest of the target audience in 2025, ensure the topics are catchy, valuable and suitable for use in content marketing strategy, present them as a numbered list. So here I am going to enter this niche, but we are not going to enter this manually. Instead, we are going to use a method called mapping, which means we are going to enter the data from the previous response. Now here you can see that we have received the response from Google Sheets and we are going to map the same data in my OpenAI action step. So as soon as I click on this field, I can see this Google Sheets, and when I click on this, I can see this e-commerce strategies, the response which I have received from Google Sheets, and I have mapped this over here. Here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now that I have entered this detail, the niche or the industry, I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request and let's wait for the response. So here we can see that we have received the response in this message content. We have the response. Here are 5 unique and trending blog topic ideas focused on e-commerce strategies, harnessing AI for personalized shopping experience, sustainable e-commerce, maximizing sales through social e-commerce, the future of subscription models, augmented reality in e-commerce. So this is the response which I have received. Here you can see these topics are designed to attract attention, provide real value to your targeted audience, and utilize high-performing keywords relevant to involving e-commerce landscape. So these blog topics are very perfect and also relevant to the current scenario also. Now I want to add all these blog topics in my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So I simply need to click on this add action step button, and here I'm going to search for my action application Google Sheets. And then in my action event, I'm going to take this as update cell value and then click on this connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on the sign in with Google. Here you need to choose the account where you have logged in your Google Sheets. And after choosing your account, you simply need to grant away the permissions by clicking on this allow. It is always advisable to keep your applications logged in for the easy authorization. And here authorization successful, which means Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect. And now I need to enter the spreadsheet. Here in my Google Sheets, you can see that I have created the spreadsheet by the name Content Marketing. So from this drop down, I am going to select my spreadsheet as Content Marketing. You will see that it has automatically detected the sheet, which is sheet number 1. And now I need to enter the range and the value. Now here in this range, you can see that the column is B and the row is 2. So I need to enter column B. I am going to enter the range in the format which is given in the help desk. Enter the range of the sheet that needs to be updated. Example this. So this is the particular column which needs to be updated, and for this row index, what I'm going to do, I'm going to map this because this is not going to remain static. This will keep changing. As soon as I'm going to add new ideas, the row will be keep changing, but the column will remain same. I hope this was very clear to you. So in this row index, I'm going to map this to. Now in the value, we are going to map the response which we have received from OpenAI, this message content. And now I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request. You will see the details will be automatically added to my spreadsheet. Now let's quickly open my Google Sheets spreadsheet. And here you can see that we have added the trending blog topics which we have generated with the help of OpenAI here in my Google Sheets spreadsheet. Here you can see all the topics: harnessing AI for personalized shopping experience, sustainable e-commerce, maximizing sales, the future of subscription models, augmented reality. So these were the same topics which AI has generated for us for this particular niche or industry. Now to summarize, we took Google Sheets as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We added the detail in Google Sheets spreadsheet and received that response here in this workflow. Then we moved to the next step where we wanted AI agent to generate blog topics for me. So I took OpenAI as my action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, selected my AI model, entered the prompt, and then generated the blog topics with the help of OpenAI. Moved to the next step where I wanted to update my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So here I took Google Sheets as my final action application, selected the spreadsheet, entered the range, and then entered the value which I have received from my OpenAI response. Clicked on Save and Send Test Request and received the response as these details been automatically and instantly added to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Google Sheets, OpenAI, and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.